Now maybe later we can land on the back. Yeah, faster.
This time, as soon as you launch, I'm going to slow down.
Okay.
Try to land back on.
Oh shit. Remember, don't try this at home. We are still at the Moonshiners Fly-In. We may or may not have kited too much down the runway and have burned out that opportunity. We're gonna get the two wheels, the dirt bikes, and then gonna see if we can fly off the dirt bike. The weather's stabilized if you look around. Everyone's kiting, air's flyable, everything's chill. We should be flying, but for now we're gonna play on the ground. Shout out to the cameraman. Let's be responsible. Gotta wear my helmet. All right, cool. I think we're good for a solid 30 on the weather. And remember, don't try this at home.
Prepare for greatness.
Whoa, I gotta adjust this harness, man. I'm like falling out of here.
Cut.
Hurry up and wait. Welcome to filming. All right, you ready, Big Ricky?
How you getting on?
I'm coming. If I can keep my glider open. Yeah, what do I do, Jim? I forgot. Let me get, oh shit.
Oh, clear me. That was a good mount. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me which one.
Go straight, straight. Yeah, straight. You can haul ass. As fast as you can go, we're good. Yeah. Faster. Go to the right of this guy. Yeah. A little slower. Yeah. All right. All right, haul ass, haul ass. Go, 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 go. Go faster. Yeah. Yeah. All right, that was the shit. That was the shit, dude. Let's do it again. Dude, that was good. That worked out. That worked great. I fucking flew up. Now maybe later we can land on the back. You time it right. Yeah, perfect. Start by your truck or something. Anywhere it's cool, even here, I don't care, as long as you have a path. But we have to like roll into speed. It's not like a whole shot. We gotta like barely go fast. Hey, Rick. All right, now we're golden. Yeah. Yeah, faster.
All right, this time, as soon as you launch, I'm going to slow down.
Okay.
Try to land back on.
Okay. All right, don't go too fast. The glider will fly out my hand.
So when you eject, I'm going to immediately slow down to half speed.
Yeah, you have to brake check a good bit.
Just tell me speed, faster, slower. Yeah.
It takes some calibration. We'll figure it out. Go, Rick. Go. Go, go, go. The air's loose. There's no wind. Okay, go. Keep going. I'm gonna run at you. Go, go, go. It's okay, it's okay. All right. All right, good, go. Yeah, faster. Another gear, faster. Okay, here we go. When you think I leave, you gotta like check on that. Let's try again with practice. Go straight. Go, yeah. Okay, slower. Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
All right, there's a problem. Big problem.
All right. Faster. Okay, 3, 2, faster. Okay, I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1 here. We need sponsors. If you're watching this, we need sponsors for real. So we have to do a harder brake check, like a front brake.
Oh, I'm on the front.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah. As soon as you leave, I gotta start braking.
Downshifting a hard brake. When the wind's tight, I have to run it there. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
All right, we made it.
Shit, you're too fast. Okay, that's good, that's good. Faster, faster, faster. Go, 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 fast. Go fast, go fast. Faster. Okay, let's go here. 3, 2, 1. Go. Faster, faster. Ah! 1. Go. Faster, faster. Ah! Ah! Okay, we're gonna try again.
Go fast, fast, slow, 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 fast.
Okay, okay. Okay. Faster. Faster, faster, faster.
It's wet down here. Oh, damn.
Yeah, we're going again. We really want to have fun.
It's all about having fun, brother. Sorry. Tell me what you need.
Again, Rick, again. Come around. Here you go. I'm sorry. Alright, let's get here. Faster, faster.
I have no stopping power down here.
Okay, we need to take a break.
I think so.
All right.